Alright, hi Rich Handyman here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video of an unboxing of a new tool I picked up. If you've been watching my channel, I'm in the process of building a man cave and I'm doing the roofing. Started off with nails and a hammer. Forget about that crap. So here I am. I got online, I ordered the Ridgid roofing coil nailer. Magnesium metal housing. Excuse me. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm not in the trailer. I'm actually in my house. Came with a little bottle of oil there and a little Allen wrench. Okay. You got your instructions. You got to register this like every other Ridgid tool. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Let me just move this stuff out of the way. But this is it here. Okay, tell you, it's a nice looking gun. It's very light. I mean, either I'm strong or no, this is very light. It's about a 4-pound gun. Excuse me. It's got the nice swivel attachment here, little for your hose so it doesn't get tangled up. I mean, I like it. The only thing, I mean, the handle, because I got big hands, I can grip it nice. The handle's just a little bit thin for me. I don't know. It's like your gun. You know, you get the wrap. I might put a wrap on this, just to thicken it up. A little sandpaper wrap. You know what I mean? Because it's just a little bit slippery for my hand. But other than that, it's not bad. It's got the bump mode, and it's got single fire mode right here. And the way you adjust it is you can't just turn it. On this side, there's a button. You got to hold this down. While you're holding it, you turn the key. Okay? See the little arrow there? And then you turn it back. Put it back on single for now. Then you have your adjustment here, your dial, to adjust the depth of the nail. Okay? And then obviously, you open it up, put your nails in. You open up your little coil here. Slap your nails in. Place the first nail in the track there. Close your housing, and then you clip this shut. Okay, and it locks it in place, just like mostly all the other guns. Okay. Here it's got, if you're wondering what this is, it's a shingle guide. Okay. You can take it off. It goes on. And there's adjustments. It says 6-inch, a 5-inch, a 6-inch, and a 7-inch, okay? I'll give that a shot. I'll try it out when I use it. And that's pretty much it. Pretty basic. It's light. I mean, I checked out a few. I checked out the DeWalt. I checked out the, what they have at the store. They had the Milwaukee, the DeWalt, believe it or not, the Makita was nice. I like the way the Makita felt, and it was light. But I'm a Ridgid guy. If you watch my channel, you'll know I got a lot of Ridgid tools, so I'm going with the Ridgid, and we're going to try it out, okay? But that's it. The Ridgid 1 3/4 inch roofing coil nailer, okay? And it's magnesium. That's why it's so light. All right, so check it out if you're looking for a nail gun. I mean, obviously, just keep an eye, watch my videos. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell. So when I do use this thing in a couple of days and I shoot out my next video, you'll see this thing in action, okay? So that's it. It's the opening, the unboxing of the Ridgid. And again, if you stay tuned to the videos coming up, it'll be a review. It'll actually be working, okay? We're gonna do it live and we'll see how this thing works. All right, again, thank you for watching and we'll catch you on the next one. It's on A. There he is right there. Got to keep him in the kitchen, especially when we're filming, cuz. Oh, you know what? Before I go off, I got a little tape measure here. You guys are wondering the dimensions, like the size. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so you're looking at about 6 inches. Here. It's about 9 inches to the bottom of the handle. From here to here, it's about 10.5 inches. Tell you, it's light. I'm hoping it works out well, and we'll see. All right, take care now.